problem. Sleeping three together. Three.
Sleeping three. एक जुलियाना एक नहीं.
Oy, Juliana.
Juliana, how are you, Juliana?
Hello, all good?
Hello, how are you, Senorita?
Senorita.
Ruben,
Yeah.
Ruben, you forgot. You know.
No, I haven't forgotten you.
Yeah, I miss you.
You
but I am the husband of the another.
Juliana.
Why are you missing me? I have a wife and a son together. Why are you missing me? Please tell me.
No problem, pero you is my friend. Is no problem.
If you want to play punishment battle, we can play. Nowadays, you busy in the work. That's why I'm unable to talk to you.
No
Otherwise-
war in my car. No war now in my car.
You go to house and if you do the punishment battle, we can play. Okay, never.
This is my car. No play. Go. In the street.
Juliana. Hey, Juliana.
Tell me.
Robin missed you. Robin.
Oh,
We have your picture in wallpaper. No. Your picture in
Ruben,
wallpaper.
I love you.
Oh,
I love you.
I love
प्यार,
you.
प्यार. We loved you, Juliana. We loved you. You have to visit Nepal to meet him. We loved you, seriously.
I have a wife. I respect you as a friend. I respect you as a friend. हल्का दिमाग साइले पकाइ छे वार्समा बोलम भनेर फकाइ छे
Go. Ruben.
ल मुने या
Ruben.
Tell me, I'm listening you, please tell me. What the means of Ruben?
हेरा तरिनी छाने छ यो रोबिनले
No call me,
छाने छ।
people, no call.
जुलियानाको खैकेले ताने छ ला 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 फर्काउ रे भाइ सब डबल ट्याप लाइभ से गर्नु फर्काउ
महँगो पर्ला मेरो यो मुकायो महँगा पर्ला मुने मेरो यो मुकायो जुलियानाको भलिबलले झुकायो
ए मैले तिमीलाई सम्झाउने जहिले हो भलिबल खेल्ने चाहिँ कहिले हो ल ल ल ल ल ल ल ल ल फर्काउ रे
कारभित्र भरै बसेर टोलाइ छे भलिबल खेल्न न्युयोर्कमा बोलाइ छे
ए अब उसकै प्यारो भइदेऊ नि त बोलाइरहेको छिन् भलिबल खेल्नलाई गइदेऊ नि त ल ल ल ल ल ल ल ल ल ल ल ल फर्काउ रे फर्काउ कसो डबल ट्याप लाइभ से गर्नु
मलाई यसले भरै बॉयफ्रेन्ड मान्छन् कि जुलियानाले बॉयफ्रेन्ड मान्छन् कि दुईटा छोराले मलाई चिरपटले हान्छन्
Rosita, guys, send me rose. Everybody, please, guys, send me rose. Go. Thank you.
ए हेर यो खड्केले गर्यो भलिबल कि अरु नि मन पर्यो ल ल ल ल ल ल फर्काउ रे
Rosita, chico, vamos, Rosita. Vamos, Rosita.
मुनेको थोपडा सेम टु सेम कराई के बोलेर मेरो मुख बन्द गराई फर्काउ
ए भाइ छन् नि ए रोबिन त उसैको भाइ छन् नि गाला पनि जुलियानाको स्याउ जस्ता रहेछन् नि ला 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 फर्काउ रे
Toma,
अब
río, pero
तिमी
yo no sé lo que
न्युयोर्कमै
están diciendo, que voy a
गइदेऊ
hacer. Yo nada que puedo hacer, yo lo que tengo que...
न्युयोर्कमै गइदेऊ
Lo que tengo...
ती दुई गाला तानेर मुई खाइदेऊ ला 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 फर्काउ रे
ए यो मुनेले भरै पोखरा ओगाटे मुनेको दोहोरीले मान्छेको मन ओगाटे गाला स्याउ जस्ता अरू चाहिँ भोगटे फर्काउ रे
ए अब तिमीले मया झल लगाइदेऊ नि त अब तिमीले मया झल लगाइदेऊ नि त मिठो हुन्छ ती भोगटे साँधेर खाइदेऊ नि त
Rubén!
फर्काउ रे
Rubén! Tomorrow come, Nepal, tomorrow. Fly.
I'll come to Nepal.
Yeah.
You will
Yeah,
come
you have
to-
it, you have it, you have
भरे
it.
हेरा त गिथा कति मिठो
रुबेन।
काँडा भेको
I have a bullet, ticket, the fly.
Oh, okay.
I'm sure.
You will come to pick up you.
Hey, Juliana.
Airport.
Hey, Juliana.
Yeah, listen to me. You please, you pick up me, I pour you. You pick up.
I'm not in the capital city of the Nepal. I'm not in the Kathmandu. I'm in the Pokhara. I'm very much depart from there.
You pick up, and the I pour, you me together in hotel.
Hotel?
ए अब तिम्रो पोल्छ भाइ खोलाइदि अब तिम्रो पोल्छ भाइ खोलाइदि क्या छौ दाजु होटलको बोलाइदि
You, Rubén,
रमाइलो छ है दाजु रमाइलो छ
Rubén.
अन्त रेपान्छ क्या मलाई मागा
No, Rubén, listen to me. Only you company, only you pick up and then you car and then you me hotel you come back you house. Relax.
Hotel but where? In the hotel way? On the hotel way?
Looking for you friend for me, one man. You
Juliana.
looking for one man for me.
होटल फर व्हाट पर्पज
Oh, it's Lee and you house. And Lee and you house. Ruben,
Sleep. Where is sleep?
it's Lee. Together.
What do you mean? What do you mean?
In your house.
दाजु जुलियानाको भोगाटे स्याहार छौ त जुलियानाको भोगाटे
really,
स्याहार छौ त
really. No,
होटल
no.
बोलाई जानलाई क्यार छौ त ल ल ल ल फर्काउ रे
No, Ruben. No, come tomorrow fly this. I have a ticket. The airport.
No, you have no ticket. You are a liar. You always lie.
No, really.
You are the liar. You will never come to Nepal. You will never come to Nepal. I know. You will never. I know you are a liar.
You please. No, really. You please pick up, please. And the airport.
जुलियाना
I can't pick up you.
Hey girl, can I come with Robin? Can I come with him? Is that okay?
Yeah.
Is
Yeah.
that okay?
You send me your address. Send me your address. Please, your address. Yeah, you, please. In WhatsApp, yeah. And the you know pick up me and the taxi. Come, your house. The
You house?
You house.
यसो डबल ट्याप गर्नु ल सबैजनाले
खतम पार्लेछ त यार.
Vale por tres. Yeah.
Really, are you sure that I will come to
Please,
Nepal?
guys,
Hey,
please. I need one boyfriend, please, Nepali. One boyfriend for me,
Nepali.
please.
Nepal
Please.
call out the
Tomorrow
Robin is
fly
available.
in Nepal.
Robin is available. Why are you searching for another boyfriend? He is
Please.
available for you.
Take it. This ticket. This ready.
Really?
And the
Ticket,
flight.
please show me ticket.
Yeah.
Show me ticket. Show me that, please. Show me that.
Please, you.
Juliana, please show me that. Show me that.
Ruben.
Show me ticket, please.
You know me asleep in the street. Ruben, you know me asleep in the street in Nepal. You know. You me in the street. No, in your house.
I'm not in the capital city of the Nepal. I'm depart from here.
No problem. You wife. No problem. Sleeping three together. Three.
Sleeping three.
Chicos, semi wrong, guys. Semi wrong.
Ye bolegi.
You are the liar.
के बोलेगी तँलाई
Guys, I'm
माता पिताले त्यही संस्कार दिएका हुन् के बोलेकी
तिनटा सँगै भन्छ बोल्दै।
Mom, you sleeping with your house.
Chup, with you?
Mom, you and me together. You and
Juliana,
me.
you can visit my house but not his. You have wife. He is married. Okay? He had 2 wives already.
No, Mom. Me sleeping with you, not Ruben, with you.
With me?
Huh?
Hey, I'm just like you. Look at me, I'm just like you. ए दाजु यसले त मलाई नि भ्याउँछ क्या हौ लौ न
हेर मुने विदेशतिर कस्तो साधन हुन्छ पागल झ्याउले यसले।
नो जुलियाना नो
विदेशतिर त केटा मान्छे केटी बन्न पाउँछ, केटी मान्छे केटा बन्न पाउँछ, पागल झ्याउला।
नो
यसले खतम पार्छ बा।
निश्चित खेलेर आइदियो भने क्या नि
Yeah, listen to me. Listen to me. Ruben have a wife, yeah? Ruben have a wife, yeah? Okay,
Yeah.
no problem. No
Uh-huh.
sleeping with Ruben. Sleeping with you.
Me.
You and me.
But I'm just
This
like
guy-
you. We have same thing.
We have same thing, Paul.
No problem.
Hey, seize the goal.
Miguel.
I will give you-
No. In the street.
You
I
can't
will
touch
give
me,
you-
okay?
You can't touch me.
We can sleep together.
Mom.
Yeah.
You come New Year. You come my house. You come New Year. New York City.
Okay, you want to stay with me, girl, Juliana? You want to stay with me? ये तो मेरो लागि मेसिन फेर्छ क्या हो दाजु मेसिन भन्नु हो दाजु
लाज मर्दा म गएँ यार।
What happened? Not good.
क्या छ
Not good. They come.
क्या छ
What are you doing?
You come. One second. They come no good. It's very, very cool now. It's very, very cool. No problem. It's good.
Don't like to be hot. I wanna go. Juliana, thanks for the time. मुना म गएँ यार।
ल ओके दाजु ल ओके भोलि गाउँला
Thank you, Juliana.
Okay,
Thank you.
bye.
कफी हान्दिएर यार म आउँछु रे। हट पागल। चिरो गर
सम्झे
भन्नु
मलाई यहाँ के खबर आयो भने
अँ
गाइस के हो मेरो त स्कोर बढ्दैन मन लाग्यो नै मलाई खबर सुनाउनु श्रीमतीको डरले चियावालीलाई भेटेन भनेर यहाँ त समाचार आइसक्यो त के हो अनि
हल्का
अनि क्या अनि हाम्रो अमितजीको होइन बिहेको फोटो हाल्नुहुन्छ अनि त्यसपछि हालेकोतिर कमेन्ट पढ्छु रोबिनको मात्रै पहिलो बिहाको 3 चोटि भयो पहिलो बिहा हो भन्छ फेरि
मेरो बिहा 3 चोटि
होइन हाम्रो अमितजीको 3 चोटि भयो अरे बिहा के हो त्यसै भन्छ त अनि सबैले
पौलीको पछि नलाग त्यो हाम्रो सरकारको विषय होइन
होइन कमेन्ट रमाइलो है त्यसपछि मलाई नि होइन के होइन पवित्र बिहा भनेपछि पवित्रै हुन्छ त्यस्तो हुँदैन मलाई थाहा छ
3-4 चोटि हेरेको म फेभरेटमा राखेछु अझै
त्यसको लागि चाहिँ यसो रमाइलो मात्रै गरेको हिजो
नेप्टी किन बोल्दिन त्यो किन बोल्दिन त्यो
के रे भेना
नेप्टी किन नबोल्या
बिजी छन् आफ्नै पारामा
त्यही गङ्गो आएर पनि मलाई भेट्न आइने भैँसी जस्तो आइने त्यही गङ्गो आएर पनि मलाई त्यही गङ्गो आएर पनि मलाई भेटेन यो भैँसी जस्तो आइने
दुईजना हामी भेना एक्लै जितेको हामीलाई
त्यही गङ्गो आएर पनि मलाई भेट्न आएन यो भैँसी जस्तो आइने यस्ता बिजी मान्छेहरू निर्मला ऋतु बस्नेर आयो यार
अनि ऋतु बस्नेतले तपाईँलाई फुलको बुकेले रात दिएछ त खासमा त्यो बुके चाहिँ त भाउजूलाई दिनुपर्ने हो क्या जानेन छ ऋतुले
फुलको के त जलाउँदै पनि फुल त फुल्यो यार
त्यस्तो होइन तपाईँको बुढीलाई दिनुपर्छ तपाईँको इज्जत अनि अन्ताकोमा पैसा तिर्नु भयो कि भएन
अब फ्रीमा काठमाडौँमा फ्रीमा कसरी लाग्छ तपाईँलाई
अनि त्यत्रो तपाईँले प्रचार प्रसार गरेपछि फ्रीमा राख्यो होला भनेको नि
राखे फ्रीमा लगाइदिन्छ ल बाहिर म जान्छु ल भाइ
ल नि म चाहिँ के गरेर बस्नु
आऊ उता आऊ साने